The stock market just had its worst week since 2020, with a massive sell-off sparked by rising tariffs and warnings from the Fed. Here's what you need to know. Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, April 5th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, let's dive right in. The stock market yesterday, total chaos. The Dow dropped more than 2,200 points. That's a 5.5% plunge and officially entered correction territory. Meanwhile, the Standard & Poor's 500, down nearly 6%, capping off its worst week since 2020. And the Nasdaq? It sank 5.8% and closed in bear market territory. Now, what triggered this? 2 words: trade war. China fired back at the US with additional tariffs, a whopping 34% on all US goods starting April 10th, and that matches what President Trump slapped on China just a couple days earlier. So yeah, investors are spooked. There's a growing sense that this is turning into a full-on economic brawl with retaliation over negotiation. Safe haven time? You bet. Bond yields dropped as investors scrambled for cover. The 10-year Treasury fell to 3.9%, almost the lowest level we've seen since October. And here's the kicker. Fed Chair Jerome Powell finally spoke up. He said these tariffs are higher than anticipated and admitted it's too soon to say what the right interest rate path is. Translation? More uncertainty. And traders are now betting on 5 rate cuts this year. Yup, 5. Oh, and let's not forget the jobs report. Normally this would have been the headline. The U.S. added 228,000 jobs in March, beating expectations, but it barely made a ripple. The unemployment rate ticked up to 4.2%, but the market had bigger things to worry about. To top it all off, Trump doubled down on Truth Social, saying his policies will never change, and throwing shade at China, claiming they played it wrong. So yeah, buckle up. April's off to a wild start. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll be back Monday morning with more market insights. Cheerio.